Silver explodes. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. All right, traders, quick little market update for you. Silver obviously explodes in the markets right now. Silver, big update. Now, let's go back to the last few videos that I've said with you guys, and I want to share with you guys a lesson that I've been trying to teach you guys called price and time. Now, what is price and time? Let me bring up, say, the last 3 months here. Price and time, based on the Gann theory, or the Gann, price and time are supposed to be equal. What does that mean? Well, that means that when we have a sideways movement where there's been so much time, price needs to catch up. I.e., when there's been so much movement, what's likely to happen? We're now likely to see price catch up, and when that happens, you get a big breakout bar. Big breakout bar. This happens all the time. Whenever you see a sideways market, and then bam, big breakout bar. What is that? That's price catching up to time. So we had this big time phase through here. And now we're starting a price phase. So I believe this is the start of something quite big in the markets overall. Now gold, what's happening with gold? Gold, we can see that it's continuing to hold this resistance level through here. We're still in this overall triangle pattern. So gold is almost ready to break out. But when it does break out, we're going to see some big upward movement in gold. So that's what I do see through there. Now let's go and have a look at on the Dow Jones and what I see through. A lot of people saying, oh, the market's going to go new highs, or the market's going to crash, or all that sort of stuff. One thing that's really important to do when we're viewing the charts is just to bring it back to I believe the Dow Jones is the #1 leader there. So analyze the Dow Jones and just ask yourself, with the Dow Jones, who's in control right now on the chart? Just ask yourself that. We have a high, we have a lower high, we have a lower high. So right now we have a low and we have a lower low. So right now, who's in control? Without you trying to guess, without you trying to predict what's going to happen, what is the market telling you right now? Who's in control? The sellers, right? And we're still getting this upward movement. We're getting a little upward movement through here. But the sellers keep knocking it down, don't they? So right now, without you trying to guess or what you're trying to see what's going to happen or trying to think what's going to happen, whenever you are viewing the markets, if you're confused, just go back to that simple basics of what is the overall major swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up, swing down, swing up. What is the overall major peaks and troughs telling you? What is the overall major peaks and troughs telling you? And then just go with that. So right now, buying this market right now would be very risky. Shorting the market right now, shorting the market will be a much more successful strategy. With that being said, you need to make sure that you have a strategy that you're looking to get in and get out. You don't just go short because it's in a downtrend. You know what I mean? You need your confirmation bar. You need things to come into play to confirm whatever trading plan you have. Just make sure you have your setup. Make sure you have your trading plan and your setup and your entry bar. But to increase the success on that odds, make sure you're trading with the trend. Make sense? Make sure you're trading with that trend, because the trend is going to be your friend. And as you know, back through history, the trend is your friend. Why do we say that? Because the most successful trades, the really good win-loss ratio trades, the trades that have a much better chance of running on for a really good profit, or the longest term, or the most successful trades are in the direction of the underlying trend. We all know that. So when you are trading the markets, just make sure that you're trading with the trend. Now, let's actually throw a bit of opinion in this. Do we think this is the calm before the storm? And what I mean by calm before the storm is that the market's been very quiet for the last few weeks to a month now. Are we getting ready for a smash down, a crash in the stock market?